In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Notion integration. We'll walk through the full setup for connecting Airtable and Notion so your data can move smoothly from one platform to the other. The goal here is to create a simple, reliable workflow that takes information from an Airtable base and sends it into a Notion database in a structured way. This is especially useful if you manage projects, content, client information, or internal tracking across both tools. To begin, open the Airtable base or table you want to sync. Make sure you're looking at the exact table that contains the data you want to send over. It's a good idea to quickly review the fields in that table before moving on, because those fields will later need to match up with properties in Notion. If your Airtable data is already clean and organized, the rest of the setup becomes much easier. Next, open the Notion database or page where that data should go. If you're using a database, check that the properties are set up in a way that makes sense for the records coming from Airtable. For example, if Airtable has text fields, dates, or status values, your Notion database should have corresponding property types ready to receive them. Taking a moment to verify this now can help avoid formatting issues later. After that, choose your integration tool. You can use Make, Zapier, or another automation platform that supports both Airtable and Notion. This tool acts as the bridge between the two apps, allowing you to define what should happen when data is sent from Airtable to Notion. Pick the one you're most comfortable with, then start a new automation or workflow. Now connect Airtable inside that integration tool and select the correct base and table. During this part of the setup, you'll authorize access and then tell the automation exactly where to pull data from. Be careful to choose the correct source, especially if you manage multiple bases or tables. Then connect Notion and choose the target database. Just like with Airtable, you'll authorize access and point the workflow to the exact database where the new items should be created. Double check that you've selected the right destination before moving on. Once both apps are connected, map the Airtable fields to the matching Notion properties. This is one of the most important parts of the process because it determines where each piece of information will appear in Notion. Take your time here and make sure each field is paired correctly. Finally, send a test record and activate the workflow. Testing helps confirm that the integration is working properly and that the data appears in Notion exactly as expected. If everything looks good, turn the automation on and your Airtable to Notion sync will be ready to use.